As always, my battery is not really charged, so I don't know how long it's gonna last for, but today, here, got my HP right there, got my 325iX, XI, whatever. Here too, already took this car to the Denver, Colorado. I think I put like 1,300 miles on this car, so not bad. No issues. Everything is nice and just as it should, you know. Like, this car was really comfortable, surprisingly, and the fuel economy was really good, despite having all-wheel drive and only 5 gears. So, like this car. For today, the plan is to just install a couple of new things on this vehicle. So I accidentally, and I was lucky to find accidentally. Okay, so I found a couple of good seats for this car, and they are matching color, and they are manual seats as well, and they are heated. So I'm going to try to retrofit them and see if I can have heated sport seats in my XI now. Here's what they look like. So these seats came off of like 2000 year 330i. The car got into a fire, so engine bay was burned, but the seats are still in okay shape. They're just really dusty and somewhat have this little ash in here from whatever burned in the engine bay. But yeah, that's about it for seats. Gonna try to restore these as much as I can, and also I got my nicer steering wheel for this car as well, from the same car. So this is the steering wheel, M3 BMW steering wheel with the airbag, everything nice and as it should be. I'm gonna try to also retrofit those. Shouldn't be a problem, just because all the wiring harness and everything connects nicely as it should. So gonna do that for now, and you know, that's pretty much it for today, so we'll see how it goes. There you go. Okay, so still gotta finish cleaning them. That way everything is going to be as clean as possible, as usual. Meanwhile, what I've done is I've replaced my steering wheel from the regular one to the M steering wheel. This one looks nice and fresh, and the same with these bezels with these silver rings. They come on in 330s. Since this one is a 325, I got them switched that as well. Looks nicer, I like that. And now I'm in the process of unbolting the front seats. That way I can start cleaning everything underneath the seat and make it nice and clean. So this is just vacuumed on this side. Looks already pretty good. Still gonna spray some of this all-purpose cleaner, and should be even better. And then I'm gonna move on to the passenger side. That's turning really good. So this side is just vacuumed still, and this one is already brushed and treated with the all-purpose cleaner. Turning out pretty good. It's always easier to clean darker colors, especially black carpet. Finally done. It always takes longer than you think with cars. Always. Every single time there's something on your way, some obstacle, or a complication even. Anyhow, I'm really satisfied with the result. The interior looks way better, and these seats are really comfy. I already sat in them, adjusted everything the way I want them to be, and it's really comfortable. Anyway, let me show you. So yeah, in addition to everything being really clean, also got the new steering wheel. Everything looks clean on the center console, shifter, armrest, dashboard, everything there. And of course these seats. It's my first time having manual sports seats. Really satisfied with them. Rear looks good too, just nice and clean. It's nice they have these side bolsters that really grips you and hold you in place. This is really nice, and also in addition to that they have these lower adjustments, also really nice. Super, really comfy. So far probably the comfiest seats I've ever had in my car. They're even cooler than my sport seats in my ZHP Coupe. I don't know, maybe because these just softer, or maybe because these are just not as in the worn out shape, but overall these looks really good. 100% worth it, and especially with how much I spent for these seats, it's just ridiculous. It would be a no-brainer not to buy them. So I got these seats for $70 a pair, so $70 for 2 seats. Really nice. That was definitely a gold mine, treasure, whatever you want to call it. And of course the steering wheel. Anyway, I think I'm gonna wrap up for today. I already spent so much time in here. Yeah, I'm gonna wrap everything up, put all these tools together, and lock everything up, and that'll be it for today. Alrighty, see you next time.